Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to enable notification on Trust Wallet. To enable notifications on Trust Wallet, first you have to tap open the application. Make sure that you are logged in. Then on the top left, you will see settings icon. Tap on it. Here, scroll down and tap on notifications. Now users have to toggle allow push notification on. And that's it. You have successfully turned on notification in Trust Wallet. When you turn on notifications in Trust Wallet, the app sends alerts to your device to keep you updated about your account and transactions. These notifications aim to provide real-time updates to help you manage your assets effectively. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.